Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm here to do a quick tutorial on how I customize the colors that I need for my crushed glass. I do have some other videos, mostly my geode coaster videos, and I use this crushed glass. Now you can get it at a bunch of different places. The most convenient place that I found for me is at Michael's. This is in their floral section, and they're called vase fillers. Now I just transfer them into these bottles. They also come in different colors, as you can see. This is, I don't know if they call it silver or clear. To me, this is the most clear that I can get so that I can make it any color that I want. You can also get them in a specific color if that's what you want to go with. I like to just get the clear so that I can make my own, just depending on what I need for the project. So I just wanted to give you that option if you wanted to go with an already colored version of the mirrored glass. So to create your own custom colors, you will just need some alcohol inks, and I also do use a little bit of mica powder, which I have not seen anybody else do. I just feel like it gives it a little bit more shine and sparkle, and you guys know I love that. So let's go ahead and get started. It's really, really easy. So I just have a disposable like Dixie cup. I'm just going to add, you can make big batches of this if you want, but just for tutorial purposes, I'm only going to do a little bit. A lot of times when I need a specific color set, I will just divvy out as much as I need into different cups, make up all the different colors at once, and then let them dry at once so that they're ready to go when I need them. So I have my crushed glass in my cup, and for this tutorial I'm going to create a kind of aqua teal kind of color. So I picked out two of the alcohol inks that I have. So I will be using Mermaid as well as Pool, and these are both by Ranger and Tim Holtz. And to complement it, I'm going to use the Jacquard Pearl X, and this is the Duo Aqua Blue. I just thought that it matched the best with the alcohol inks. So I'm going to go ahead and open both of these inks. And you can customize this to any type of color. Sometimes I need a specific shade, so I will mix a whole bunch of different alcohol inks to get the shade that I need. So with my chips in here, I'm just going to put about 5 drops of this Pool in, and then I will put about the same amount of this Mermaid. You don't want to drench it. You just want enough so that you can make sure the color is distributed. So I'm just going to take a popsicle stick and fully mix this in, and you can see the color is changing. You want to make sure you get all the chips at the bottom. And there it is. Now, alcohol ink dries really, really fast, but it is still wet at this moment because I just started mixing it. It also will depend on how much of the alcohol ink you use. If you wanted to go darker than this, then go ahead and add some more alcohol ink. I'm fine with this. And while it's still not totally dry, I will take my mica powder, and you just want the tiniest bit. I don't have an exact measurement, but literally that is all I'm adding. So I'm going to add that in here and then mix it again. Now, if it does end up getting too dry and you feel like the mica powder is just kind of like a dusting on top and it's not being incorporated, you can also take rubbing alcohol. I have 91% isopropyl alcohol in this spray bottle, and I'm just gonna do like 2 spritzes. That's all you need to kind of moisten it back up, and then go ahead and mix it again. And there you go. Super easy, right? And like I said, you can make any custom color that you want. Okay, so then what you want to do is let this totally dry. So I just have 2 sheets of paper towel because you want something that is absorbent. I'm just going to sprinkle this out onto it. You want to get all of it out. As you can see, it sticks to the sides because it's still wet. And you kind of want to fan it out so that there's not big clumps. And this way it'll dry faster too. And that's it. Just set it aside, let it completely dry, and then you can put it in a container and use it whenever you need to. Now, like I said, alcohol ink dries really fast. However, I do like to let this sit probably at a minimum an hour, just to make sure that the color is totally soaked into the crushed glass. And then I will show you what it looks like when it's fully dry. Okay, so here is a batch that I did earlier today. It's just a tad darker than the one that I just showed you, but I did the exact same steps. So this set is fully dry. Sometimes they do have a tendency to stick to each other, so I would just take it, put the paper towel over it, and just kind of massage them apart. You're not going to hurt them. And then I would just gather them up, grab another cup, or you can put it in a container. And you will see like the mica has transferred, which is totally fine. There is still mica. I don't know how closely you can see that on it, but it is a beautiful shade. And then now I can use this in my coasters. I can use them in any type of resin project that I want. The color is permanent as far as the alcohol inks go, but I would just be a little bit more careful if you put mica powder in yours, just because you don't want to submerge this in resin and then mix it up. So normally what I do is it's actually just laying flat and then I just pour resin over it. So it's not really disrupting the mica. So in that case, it'll be totally permanent, so you don't have to worry. But I would just experiment. It's a lot of fun, super quick and easy. You don't have to go searching for whatever type of color that you need. You can make it yourself, and it's super easy. So I hope that was helpful. I know several of you had asked in the past. I'm just now getting around to doing my tutorials. So I hope that helps. Let me know if you guys have any questions. I'll be more than happy to answer them for you. So thank you guys so much for stopping by. I hope you guys give this a try, and until my next video, bye everyone.